welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another FIFA Friday. It's season 2, and we are heading towards the pre-season invite of this West Ham rebuild. We've got a few offers, I believe. I'm not selling to Arsenal, no freaking way. Loan to buy, I don't want to sell. Haven. Let's see what we will get for this. We will have a lot of players that like Maxwell Cornet that will leave because I do think that they are not useful for our rebuilds at this moment. Maybe one day they will return. Let's see if there are players with high potential that are regens. He is good, but he's not a regen. He could be a regen. Vlahovic. Sorry, I'm a bit tired as well. Shortlist. I did put Ronaldo and Messi on the list. I believe Ronaldo is also here, right? Is he not? Is he not? I thought I did Ronaldo as well. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll check on him. Liberali, Madueke, Darvic. No, I don't need that much players, I think. With Costa, Hermansen, happy with current terms. Happy with current terms. That is better. I do think that something has been changed. He's also on the list. I do think I have 2 central defenders, 3. That we need one more. We have Ignacio and Diomande and Heaven is backup. I do think we could use an extra player there. An extra right back could help potentially. Transfer listed. Where Magasa Inserwood could be a huge player once Guerra leaves. We have Molero, Larson, Fernandez, Camara, Lewis Skelly. Change kit number because he will get number 10 for this season, so he will play. No, he is on a loan list. Also on a loan list. He's not really happy. Nusa. Wanieri. Matistel. Biret. Okay, so we do need a central defender. What was there? And an extra right back is what we need. As a central defender, Scalvini, Beraldo is a good shout. That is a good shout. Because he could also potentially play left back when needed. Barrow, Leon, Alex, Fail, the Kuiper. He's already 25. But that wouldn't matter. I don't need a midfielder. Right midfield is not per se needed. Left midfield is sort of Sukic, Moriba. They're all 23. He's just 21, but I don't need a midfielder. I just saying. Lopez, Hernandez, Pedrolo. He would be a good shout. So I'm going to delegate this. If he signs, that would be great. Rodrigo Mora not playing with a cam position, so not sure there. Pafundi, Yildiz, Paz, Ibrahim, Messi. Okay, you know that I'm looking for a central defender. Okay, let's continue to this invite. Who's leaving? That must be heaven. Freddie Potts leaves on loan to Brentford, which is good. 2 offers again for Earthy. Sure. And for Evan, sure. Let's just look for a central defender. Which players? Centre backs in England. You know, yeah, first Premier League. I need players that are or potential. They have high potential, or they are already pretty good, but not too good, because then he could be a short list. Why is this? Why has this changed? Ballard. Scagli. Botman. Botman would need to play. Like 82 is the max that we can go and get a player. Colwill. Levy Colwill. That would make our life so much easier. Why aren't these here? Because they're on a global scouting network, which is annoying. Every time you put someone on the short list, they join. Danso. I expected more from Dragosin. Could be me, but he didn't live up to the hyped potential they gave him. Gomez, QE, Arquette. He could also become really good. Okay, I'm looking. Leone, just 19, but he's so slow. I think I'll get Colwill. Approach to buy. He's not playing, I think, in Chelsea that much. Well, he has got good enough potential to... wow. Sorry. Negotiate with Colwill. Because I do think that if we could potentially play 3 at the back, let's say a 3-5-2, that would be great. No release clause. I'll give him 100k and give him 2 mil. That would be... See, that would be good. Okay, because if I play 3 at the back, 3-5-2 could be the go, or 3-4-3 could be the go. It's 40 mil only. Okay, let's see. What if we would play... See, 1, 2, 3, 4 players out of the starting 11 are... Okay, good. That's absolutely good. Okay. Tactics. Edit. Tactics. Let's play with 3 at the back. Can. Oh, yeah, I can. 3. Would this help? No, I need 1 striker alone. 3, 4. This will not. Cams. 2 cams. Nah. 3-5-2. 3-5-2 will not do it. That's too defensive. 3-4-3. No. 3-4-2-1. Not really. I think this is the way to go. So I'm going to put that counter. Short passing. Yeah, short passing. And player roles. Yes. We have one who is not fast forward. And we will have a false 9 who falls back a bit. We will have an inside forward on one side and a wide playmaker, wide midfielder on the other side. Okay, we will have not half winger, classic 10. We will have 1 box to box and 1 holding midfielder, which is fine. We will have a defender, a ball playing defender, and a defender. Okay, so far I do like this. With ball it looks like this, which is good. We will have a lot of players. Oh, maybe I should make him just a winger there. Focus on attack. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I will play like this. But I will put Martin there, which will work. And Waneri, I think I'll put him there. Put him more up top of the field. Bireth. Nah, I don't want to play Bireth yet. Kamara. Could he play right mid? He could. And he could switch with there. At this position, I do have... where is he? I do have him, potentially. But I'll go for Lewis Skelly. Inacio will play there, and there will be our new player, Colwell. That means... okay. Hinsel would need to be... okay, he's there. Okay. Yes. I do think that this would potentially be slightly more attacking, more players in front of the ball, which will help me, I hope. Swap deal with Amar Dedic, reject. This way, I don't need a new right back, because I do have a right back, which is great. I have 1. I have 2 left backs, I believe, which could mean 1 could leave. Okay, that was just an F, but don't really care too much. What I do need is probably a cam. And extra central defenders, which could be young players. Like Vitor Rice, delegated to buy. That could potentially be a good one. Herzog is not good enough. Scalvini, Vuskovic, Beraldo would be a good one. Delegate to buy 19.3. Okay, I'll start with 19.5. Do we need more? A right midfielder would work, but we do have two right ones. Who is playing left? To have two left midfielders as well. Now we do need a central midfielder because we are using all of them. Sukic, expensive. He is slow. 2175 rated. Alex Baena, he could also play as striker. So I'm going to. He is expensive. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to look for Haraldsen. He could play the cam position. 24.1. I'll start with 2. Liberali, Messi, of course. Gonzalo. Emmanuel Emega. He would be a great striker next to 26.3. Because I am playing with 2 strikers now, I do need to switch around sometimes. So let's see who is going. Cornet. Okay, that is making room for other players, which is great. An A transfer. Okay, that's good. 2 offers again for Alvarez. Yeah, sure, you can go. 16.8? Sure. Sure. No worries there. Okay. Earthy is going as well. Right, okay. Are there more English players that we could potentially get? Young English. Oh my god, I have one. I have one. I know this will be controversial. This will be controversial. Now you already know. Because he's a right midfielder that could also play as a striker. That will be... He has a high potential, mate. Mason Greenwood. 55 mil. Start with 61. Delegate to buy. Let's try. So we have offers for a few players. I'm not saying that we will get them all, but it will help to if we get a few. Also for center backs, we do need extra center backs because we're playing 3 of them, and I do think after everyone leaves, that is all that we have. 25 mil, sure. 2-year loan deal for Austin Wall, sure. Offers made for Emega. Is this the first one to react? 30.7. Sure. I'm not going to... Oh, wait. I do need to negotiate with him, right? Okay. Delegate. No more than 102. And if he comes, then he comes, you know? That is what is... Oh, wow. Who's leaving now? Okay, he's gone also. Edson Alvarez has left the building. Okay, that's a D score. You know what? I'm fine with it. Approve accepted offers. Okay, this is good. I want him. I need him in the team. Delegate. Give him more. He's a youngster. Haraldson. 28.2. Sure. Delegate. It's fine. Beraldo. 19.5 from PSG. Delegate. Sure. Now, only Greenwood and Rice still needs to come back with their club offers. And he leaves out on loan. Offer received for Magasa. 14.2. You can leave. I'm not caring. I can't guarantee. He can also play as a centre back. Magasa also can play as a centre back. Why didn't I realize that? Transfers. Can I do something still? Can I do something still? I can't. I can't get back. Okay, you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Okay. Ngumoa. Rio. But that is, wow, I could have got him for 4.9. Except 81. Delegate. 81 mil. 80 freaking 1 mil. That is insane. But he's English, right? Renew. Who is leaving? Aguert. To Newcastle for 25 mil. This is also not a good deal. Oh, it was. Last year they were our opponents. So, yeah. Okay, let's pick the most money. So that was it for this week. We've done a few offers. Hopefully next week we'll have a slightly better team, change tactics. So hopefully see you guys then. Bye.